All right, everyone, welcome back. We're going to be going over the three candle formation. Now, what is the three candle formation? As you guys know, it's three candles. One, two, three. The middle being the longest one. All right. Now, the three candle formations don't have to look perfectly, right? They're not gonna come out looking perfectly. They're gonna look different in sizes and shapes, just like anything else, right? And the whole purpose of a three candle formation is to help us identify structure swing points. For us, a structure swing point is only valid if it has a three candle formation. So what do I mean by that? So we have some structure here, let's say, right? If price comes down and takes out, let's say, for example, this low right here. Now, this low may seem as a structure point for the average trader, right? But for us, it's not going to be a structure break at all. Because if it doesn't have a three candle formation, that is not a structure break. It must have a three candle formation in order for this to be a BOS. All right, same thing. All right, there must be a three candle formation in order for this high to be a valid high for us, a valid structure point. You need to have a three candle formation, and it's simply three candles. The middle one is going to be the longest, and the other two, in this case, need to be the shortest. Okay. So let's say that we have a 4-hour time frame structure point. And then this high got taken. There's liquidity there, right? And we're waiting for price to break low, to confirm our strong high, let's say. Price does this, retraces. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. There's no three candle formation. Our three candle formation is right here. Nothing happens. Finally, it breaks. After it broke out that three candle formation on the 4-hour time frame, then that's a BOS for us. It's not going to be just one structure point low like this, any random structure point. No, it must have a three candle formation. All right. So that's what three candle formation is used for. So if you don't see it, don't count it as a structure point. You must have a three candle formation. All right. So that's it for now. On to the next one.